Thank you for joining us for another tech tip video. My name is Robbie and dealer support, joined by Joe and our engineering team, and we're going to go ahead and unbox our new P100BT amplifier. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when you open up the box, you're going to have our accessories box. It has all the accessories that comes with the amplifier. And what do you got? What do you got in the box there?
All right, so at the power cord,
Pretty important.
rack mount ears.
New,
Yep,
right?
will come with the screws as well, and the Bluetooth antenna.
Perfect. And a manual as well. So let's go ahead and take this amplifier out of here. So this is the new P100BT. Go ahead and we'll get it out of the box here.
Nice, and that's the new industrial design.
This is the new industrial design. Matches the SMZ and the new D series amps, so everything's going to look great in the rack together. And yeah, fantastic
Awesome.
look, design, very clean, sounds fantastic. Great Bluetooth option built in now. So these are all the things that you're going to get with your new amplifier. So thank you for joining us on another tech tip, and please subscribe and like this video for more content.